Xiaomi has silently announced a new Redmi series phone in Vietnam. The Redmi 13x features identical specs to last year's Redmi 13 4G, but it gets an updated design that's more in line with the Redmi Note 14 series. Redmi 13x features a 6.79-inch IPS LCD, FHD plus 90 Hz, and is equipped with MediaTek's Helio G91 Ultra chipset. The phone is available with 68 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. The back brings an updated camera island design, which houses a 108-megapixel main camera and a 2-megapixel macro lens. The software side is covered by Xiaomi Hyper OS based on Android 14, while the battery comes in at 5,030 mAh and supports 33 watts charging. Other notable features include an IP53 rating, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, and a headphone jack. Redmi 13x starts at VIN 4,290 Ths for the 6 128GB trim. The 8 128GB version is priced at VN $4,693. The phone is already on open sale in Vietnam and is expected to launch in more regions soon.